YouTube quick update. Finally got around to painting the trunk of the Nova. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with Rustoleum's spatter finish. This is just one can of paint product, and I got a lot of coverage out of that can. I literally had enough to get a good 2 passes, and then of course touch up whatever areas that might have needed it. But I mean, overall, night and day difference. Just did the typical prep work on my trunk to get it finished or get it ready for paint. But again, just amazing quality paint. So if you're looking for an easy job to do and some good paint coverage and a mix bang for your buck, get the Rustoleum brand. Rustoleum ain't paying me a penny for this. I'm just saying, I love that paint. It is that good. I bought 2 cans, but clearly with 1 can I went straight gangster and got it all done. And it literally, I mean, night and day. If you see in my earlier videos how it looked before, it was just black, and at least with the black, maybe that contributed to the nice finish to it itself. But my gosh, I mean, it's just amazing. A night and day difference, transformation. And for $6 a can, you can't go wrong. And of course, when in doubt, we're a good respirator when you get it done. So I didn't take any pictures of me actually doing the job. But again, my God, I want to say maybe a total of 5-10 minutes paint time, between the first coat and letting it kind of tack up a little bit and then hitting it again. I'll let this thing sit up overnight for 24 hours before I lay anything in it. But wow, I can't say enough about it. Rustoleum, great job.